Ever wondered why your garden plants don't seem to thrive despite your best efforts? Sunlight plays a crucial role in gardening, being the driving force behind photosynthesis. Armed with the right knowledge, you can transform your garden into a vibrant oasis. Let's dive in. So, what's the deal with sunlight and plants? Well, it's quite simple and yet utterly fascinating. Sunlight plays a pivotal role in the process of photosynthesis, which is how plants make their food. When sunlight hits the leaves, it sparks a series of reactions that convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a type of sugar. This is not just any sweet treat, but the very fuel that allows plants to grow and thrive. In essence, sunlight is the life force that powers your garden. But how much sunlight does your garden actually need? The answer isn't one size fits all. Different plants have different sunlight needs. Some flourish in full sun, while others prefer partial shade. Understanding the specific sunlight needs of each plant in your garden is crucial. For instance, tomatoes thrive under 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, while ferns do best in indirect light. So before you plant, do a little research. Remember, not all plants are created equal when it comes to sunlight. Now that you understand the importance of sunlight, how can you make the most of it in your garden? Start by strategically placing your plants. Position them where they can catch the most light, especially during the morning. Next, consider using reflective surfaces to bounce sunlight onto shadier spots. Mirrors, white walls, or light-colored gravel can do the trick. Lastly, trim any overhanging branches that might be blocking sunlight. With these tips, you can ensure your garden gets the sunlight it needs to flourish. So, to recap, sunlight plays a crucial role in gardening. Different plants have varied sunlight requirements, and there are strategies to maximize sunlight in your garden. Remember, understanding sunlight is key to a thriving garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.